Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a set of fabric Christmas ornaments. They're super fun and easy to make, and I've also left the link in the description box for the templates. It's absolutely a free download. So let's get started. And once I've selected my fabric, I make sure that the fabric is going in the correct direction, and I trace out all of the designs. And now the next step is to add the hanger. What you do is open up your fabric and place your ribbon upside down and pin. And I use approximately 6 to 8 inches of ribbon. Now it's time to sew all the way around on our traced line. And once sewn, trim. And now what I like to do is cut a slit in the back of the ornament. I make sure both pieces of the fabric are not touching, and I cut approximately 1.5 inches and turn. And now I stuff the ornament with polyfill. And now it's time to close the ornament. What I'm doing is hand sewing, however you can either use hot glue or even fabric glue. And the holidays are quickly approaching. Also in the iCart, I left my playlist for the Christmas in July series. Has a lot of great little gift ideas. Well, happy sewing everybody, and Merry Christmas!